Look what I found in the wild. What's this? What do we have here? Spotted one in the wild, man. Good to go. Yo, John, tell me what you think about this here platform, my man.
Well, like everything else, you changed my life.
Yeah, man.
My ARs are gonna hate me.
Yep. Bro, so this, I mean, I'm sure you got stuff in it probably. But that bad boy, my setup, one of my setups is, I'll take my MCK and I'll throw it inside the LV10 admin bag. And on the back end of the admin bag, there's a nice little pocket. So I'll throw a piece of armor in there.
Are we ready, guys?
And that's one of my everyday setups for. Check it out. He's doing it right now. Boom. Throw that bad boy in there. And then, if you unzip this part, this is where
you put your plate.
You can throw your plate. So you get into an engagement, you can swing that bag around to the front. You've got a plate protecting your vitals, and you can get to your weapon system. So MCK is a huge upgrade to any pistol system that you have just sitting at the house. It turns it into an amazing platform.